I love it. I love riding dirt bikes. That's what I think motivates me the most, is that I have so much fun during the week. I just want to get better, and is the driving factor behind me. I have a lot of room to grow still, and keeps me motivated, and I love riding supercross and riding my dirt bike in general, so it's easy to get better when you love it.
Get back, can't change my mind, go out, find a different man, I'm done, you mad, get back, yeah, time expired, I had to put out this fire, so sad, now that we're on time, but that's life, get back, can't change my mind, I'm out, I'm a different man, you're done.
I'm really comfortable around those guys. I used to be kind of like, oh my God, I'm racing Eli Tomac, I'm racing Jason, whoever it was, Kenny. But now I feel like I'm a part of them, and I have an edge as far as speed. So I try and learn from them as far as experience-wise. And if I can get all those pieces put together, we should be in a good spot. But overall, it's been super fun. Eli's awesome to race. Cooper's gnarly competitor. It's been enjoyable, and looking forward to the rest of these races.
Yeah, that's it.
When I went pro in 2018, it was definitely a learning process, and then when I got on the 450, I always have had speed, but I made a lot of mistakes. But the speed has just been getting faster and faster, and honestly, sometimes I'm in a main event, I'm like, dude, we're ripping right now. Like it's honestly mind-blowing. So it's cool, and I'm happy to be a part of it, and I kind of want to keep pushing that and raising the bar more. I like Tomac's not retiring. I get it. I mean, I have this chance to beat him in Supercross, but I want to rerun it outdoors last year and come out on top this time.